Okay, so I am going to change the struts, front struts, on my wife's 2002 Chrysler Town & Country minivan. First thing I'm going to do is take off the ABS cable, which is located right here, and it is a 10mm. Okay, so I'm going to take that off of there. And then after we remove that, we'll go ahead and remove the sway bar link. It's just a socket on here, and probably going to have to hammer it. Socket on here. Probably going to have to hammer that sway bar link out. And let's see where we go from there. Okay, so that's going to come out with a 17mm. Okay, and I was lucky. I don't have to hammer it out, came right out. But I had replaced that one in the past, so the other side might be an issue, but that's okay. We'll deal with that after. It looks like from there, I've got these two. So let me go ahead and see what socket I need for those. These two are going to come out with 13/16. Hopefully I don't have to add any heat to it. Let's see what happens. Okay. Here's one. And there's the other one. Trying to get the nut off the socket. See if I can get it on here. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to put this back on and then just give it a couple taps. See if I can get that bolt to go through. And let's see, what else we got? It looks like just those two. Yeah, that's it. All right, I'm gonna pop these two out of here, and then I'll go up top and take the three off the top and see if that's all we need to do. Okay, so we have three, looks like 13mm. Give that a try first. Here. Gonna leave them on just a hair because I don't know if the whole thing's gonna drop really fast or anything. At least I hope there's only 3 of them there. So that way, if it's gonna drop, I'll have it. It'll catch it on the nut. This back one, I'll take off all the way because I'm not worried about that one. Just the front one's the one I want to hold it just in case the strut falls down. I don't want it to hit the ABS line or something down there if it goes fast. Okay, one down. So there's actually 3 of them on here. can see, I actually haven't even opened the box to the struts that I got. I should actually open that box and make sure everything's okay there, but still too tight. By hand. Take that out of the way. Now, maybe that'll help me a little better. Okay. Here's 2 down. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so it is going to go down. So here's the 3rd one. Let's take this one off. Again, this is a 13 millimeter. I have a, as you can see, let's see if you can see, it's a 13 millimeter ratchet wrench. It's a really good ones to have for those little tight spots. Okay, so those 3 are out. So let's go around the other side and see if that strut will come right out. Okay, let's see if this strut comes out easy enough. Sure, it looks like nothing else is connected to it. Okay, let's see. Let's slide that over. Make some room over here. Be careful with that brake line. Maybe I should go this way. Right here. There we go. Okay. And out. That literally took 15 minutes to do. Not too bad. Okay, let me go grab that other one and see if it's just as easy to put back in. Okay, so the ones that I purchased to replace it with Monroe, and I got the complete assembly. It costs like $120 a side. So it's basically all one piece. As you can see, it comes with everything. You just slide it right into the spot and you're done.